Hello YouTube, in this video we will be reviewing 3D filament from 3dprints.co.uk. So, first off I would like to thank Thomas from 3dprints.co.uk for sending me this free of charge for review. Obviously no money has changed hands with this. He sent it for free, and I've done some prints and will give you my honest opinion. So first off, what we'll do is show you what comes. So this is the box with 3D Prints Limited on, and we've got nothing on there. Then obviously we've got the colour, which I asked for orange, and the reason I've done that is because Halloween's coming up and I wanted to do some Halloween prints. We'll open up. Now obviously I've opened this already and done my prints, and as you can see there's not much left in the roll, and obviously here is a sample of Magigoo, which 3D Prints also sell in the UK. When it comes to printing, I use 205 on the nozzle and 60 on the bed. And obviously with Halloween in mind was this. Now this is obviously a giant pumpkin. If I move the camera to the front camera, probably be a better view for you. Now this was scaled up 150%. Now the idea of it is that you pop in a tea light which then illuminates the inside, and they are removable fronts. Now I got this downloaded ages ago. Neris, who's on YouTube, did this last year. I downloaded it and thought it was a great idea. I was going to do it this year. I cannot find the link for this STL at the moment, but when I do find it I will put it on down below. It took a long time to print. The middle bit itself was over a day to print. Obviously I kept that quite slow, about 50 millimeters a second. Printing wise, and being a pumpkin, I do have the stem which is printed in a different filament because obviously I only got sent the orange, but that just does a screwing job like that. And so that was my first print. My next print was pumpkin head, and that's obviously a little key ring that goes on. Now I've printed a number of these, and what I'm going to do is use them basically so my children can then give them out with sweets to the kids. And I've also done another one of those, and I will leave links again down below of the people that designed these. And the next one. Now the only modification I've done to this is pop a hole in there, again for keyring. Now the last and final two prints that I have done for this is candle holders. Now I've done a small one and a bigger one. There is a larger model which has the 3 candles, and what happens is you pop a tea light in there. Now obviously you would put normal tea lights because it will melt, so the RGB ones that you can get them from a pound stock, and they work brilliant, and we'll pop them on either the window so they can be lit up. So what I want to do next is just show you the 3D Prints website, which, here we go, and it's 3D Prints with a tz.co.uk, and they are a UK based company. If we shop, there's a selection of speciality filaments, ABS, PETG and PLA, which I was sent, and obviously a choice of regular 2.85 and new silk, which I was literally just come out. Now at the moment the pricing can range from £20.95 up to £22.95, and as you can see they do a number of filaments, including the colour changing filament at £28.95. If you spend £50 or more, you get free delivery. So here are my thoughts on the 3D filament from 3dprints.co.uk. The colour itself is very vibrant, ideal for what I wanted to use it for. After speaking with Thomas, I got the filament the following day, which is very good if you're a normal customer. The filament itself goes down really well on the print bed and leaves a very good finish. Would I recommend this? Yes, this is a very good filament, reasonably priced and a very good customer service. If you would like to order this filament from 3D Prints, I'll leave the links down below. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, there is a subscribe button, and don't forget to enable the bell icon. And I'll see you next time.